Welcome to my demonstration of installing the NetBox Ansible Content Collection. This is going to be taking a look at how we go about installing the necessary requirements to get going with your Ansible collection for NetBox. So first off, this is a fresh container, just built. The only thing installed is Ansible 2.10.3, and that's from Ansible pip install ansible-base. Now let's take a look here, and to verify that there are no collections installed, we'll take a look at Ansible doc netbox.netbox underscore netbox device here. And here we've got that there is the module is not found. That's exactly what we want to show. We will do a pip list quick to show that we do not have any other packages other than Ansible base and the packages that come along with that. We do not have PyNetBox. So first we will do a pip install PyNetBox and do a -- upgrade on your environment just to make sure. And we'll also install it to the user. So that will install this. And now that we've done the install, we can see that PyNetBox is installed. Next, we will go about doing the Ansible Galaxy collection install, which is Ansible Galaxy collection install netbox.netbox. And then this will start the install process here shortly. There are a few dependencies that will get installed as part of this. And once we get through this, we will start to see what this install looks like. And I will fast forward through the pause and deletions until we're done. And now that the install is done, we can see that we've installed several collections that are required as part of the netbox.netbox collection. We will verify that everything is installed. We show that we've got several collections installed, including Ansible NetCommon, Community General, Community Kubernetes, Google.Cloud, and netbox.netbox. And lastly, going back to our Ansible doc, netbox underscore device, we now have a successful device documentation provided. You can find the corresponding blog post at my website, josh-v.com, by going there, clicking on collections and the NetBox Ansible collections. Here you'll find all the posts related to this as well that correspond with the video. With that, thanks for watching. You can find me on josh-v.com or on Twitter at VanderayJ, GitHub at jvanderay, or on LinkedIn page. Thanks and have a good day.